Two men were killed during an alleged shootout with the police on Waltham Park Road in St. Andrew about 8 this morning. Reports are that a group of police were on patrol when they were fired on, sparking a deadly gun battle. 3 men were reportedly shot, 2 died. 3 firearms and ammunition were seized. And over in Trelawney, despite reductions in major crimes, there are concerns about the lack of mobility of the police in the parish. The issue was raised recently at a town hall meeting. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
A town hall meeting in Trelawney Friday evening. Residents gathered to hear the police's plans as well as express concerns. And the most frequent concern was the shortage of police vehicles in the parish. They pointed to instances where the police have been unable to respond. But in an interview with our news team, Superintendent Dwight Powell, who was recently appointed to the parish a month ago, says the officers remain committed.
No police jurisdiction across Jamaica is properly staffed at this time, and the same situation exists in my Trelawney where I superintend. The truth is, if we have more, we could do more, but I am constrained by working with what I have. So what I have, I will ensure that it goes to the maximum benefit to ensure that the citizens are properly policed, to ensure that they report our action, and to give them the kind of quality service that is required.
Member of Parliament for Northern Trelawney, Victor Wright, says he's concerned.
And I think that this situation is just not sustainable. You'd have heard the residents speak tonight about their calling the police stations and the police not having the ability to respond. I think it's a primary concern, and it's something that we really need to address.
However, despite those concerns, there has been a reduction of serious crimes in the parish. But
well, we are seeing some increase in rape and in the breaking offence. So those are the 2 categories right now that I have concern for. And already we are looking at some new strategies to see how best we can curtail these activities. One other thing as it relates to rape, it might have been as a result of the confidence that the people have in the police that we are getting more report and we are treating with these reports.
Superintendent Powell added that the police would be implementing strategies to curtail the migration of criminals. That's why Victor Wright wants the government to move quickly in providing the additional vehicles.
We are not as bad as other persons, but I can't wait for us to get there in order for us to get the vehicles. As we were saying in Parliament yesterday, is that to be a Zozo, you have to be an area of high crime. And that is where the focus of the police resources seems to be these days. We can't wait for North Trelawney to be an area of high crime to get the kind of attention that is needed. We need to do some preventative policing, and a very effective way of doing that is to provide the requisite resources that the police need in order to carry out their jobs.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.